it was a good decision for me that I choose speed. Uh, and I feel very lucky that to get this type of quality medical learning from Speed Institute.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Hare Krishna Deka for scoring AML rank 4 in MCA Surgical Gastroenterology in April NEET session 2026. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
So great to have you in the session. Thanks for your valuable time. Giving your valuable time to share your experiences with us. And congratulations.
My pleasure.
Yeah. So can we know a brief background about yourself, Doctor? Where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I am Dr. Hare Krishna Deka from Guwahati, Assam, and I have done my MBBS from Jorhat Medical College, Jorhat, Assam, and my postgraduate MS from in general surgery from Guwahati Medical College, Assam. And then I have done 1 year SRship last year, and then I have given this year NESS exam, and that is it, sir.
Great. Congratulations. Now, when your interest towards MCA surgical gastroenterology started, who inspired you? What made you to choose that branch?
Sir, I choose GI surgery because I felt it is the most connected to the abdominal. I felt most connected to the abdominal surgical cases during my training. I like that the branch combines major operative procedures, laparoscopy, oncology, HPP surgeries, colorectal surgeries, emergency care, and the complication management. So this comprehensive nature of GI surgery attracted me the most, sir.
Great. Now, once you decided to do MCA surgical gastroenterology, what all you did to achieve this rank?
I After I have passed my MS last year in the month of February, then I took I took the Speed subscription, and then I have gone through almost 90% of the videos from surgical gastroenterology by Basant sir, and also many videos of you for general surgery, and yes, that's how I got more interest into the subject, and that's how it went. And it took me some time, but okay, fine. So after 1 year, I could ultimately do it.
Okay, great. Doctor, how many questions were you able to attend this exam?
I have attended, sir, 77 questions out of 80 questions.
Excellent. Now, what is a message that you want to give for the future aspirants of MCA surgical gastro?
My message would be that don't get overwhelmed by the syllabus. It is we have to be consistent. We have to revise repeatedly, and we should not ignore our mistakes. And it is a super specialty exam like NESS, and that too for GI surgery, which is the most dream branch of many of the aspirants. So small concepts and repeated revisions can make a big difference. And also believe that even if you are working in a busy schedule, it is possible with discipline, sir.
Excellent. So, what was your experience in preparing this exam with Speed?
Yeah, my experience was great, sir. I think it was a good decision for me that I choose Speed, and I feel very lucky that to get this type of quality medication, this type of quality medical learning from Speed Institute.
Thank you, Doctor, for wonderful words. Team of Speed will be very happy listening to these words. So, time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that you feel that they helped you in your career from day one till date, so that you can use this platform and thank all of them.
I am first thankful to my parents, my mother, my father, my elder sister, my family, my teachers, my seniors, and of course, platform like Speed for guiding me.
Excellent. I'm very happy for you for what the way you have achieved through your career from base to top-notch surgical career in surgical gastroenterology, the dream branch, as you said, for most of the surgeons, it's a dream branch. And that dream branch you acquired and you got it by merit in topmost institutions. And I once again wish you all the very best and all the success on behalf of Speed team to you for an amazing and wonderful and a great career as a surgical gastroenterologist. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.